Hello everyone, this is Pragati Kapoor, your EVS teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. So children, I hope you remembered in the last lecture of my country, we have read about national symbols. Now, today we are going to study about national festivals. Do you know which is our national festivals? And why are we celebrating these festivals? No? Okay, I will tell you. There are 3 national festivals which are celebrated in our country, and they are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. We are celebrating these festivals because India is a multicultural and diverse country. And the national festivals in India are celebrated as a whole country. On national festivals, we commemorate the milestones of India's history. It is a day the country remembers the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and great leaders during India's struggle for freedom. National festivals instill the feeling of national integrity and patriotism in the heart of all Indians. National festivals are the pride of every country. So now let's talk about our first national festival of India, that is Republic Day. India became a republic on January 26, 1950. This constitution of India came into effect from this day. Hence, it is celebrated as the Republic Day. Deserving children and soldiers are awarded medals by the President of India. It is celebrated in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades take place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. Our next national festival of India, that is Independence Day. India became independent from the British rule on August 15, 1947. Hence, it is celebrated as the Independence Day. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort. He also gives a speech to the nation on that day. From there, flag hosting ceremonies and cultural programs take place in governmental institutions throughout the country. Schools and colleges conduct flag hosting ceremonies and cultural events on this day. Our third festival of India is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is an event celebrated in India to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is celebrated annually on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is known as the father of the nation. He led the fight for freedom against the British. He believed in non-violence. He is also known as Bapuji. So children, I hope you have understood the importance of our national festivals of India. Enjoy the festivals of our beautiful country and celebrate the freedom of India. Thank you and